Take olive oil and cloves and use it in this way. You will not dispense with this recipe for a long time. Cloves and olive oil are well-known natural foods that have numerous health benefits when consumed. They also contain a variety of nutrients that are good for the body and overall well-being. But before discover all the secrets of this recipe, press like to the video to know all people who are interested in this video. And if you are a new follower, subscribe in the channel and turn on the notification bell to receive all our new videos. It is noteworthy that consuming cloves and olive oil is crucial for many individuals as it helps with a variety of chronic illnesses and health issues. The health benefits of cloves include reducing tooth pain and blood sugar levels. Cloves are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. And olive oil may offer health benefits as it is high in healthy monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. It also has anti-inflammatory properties. And when taking olive oil and cloves together, these ingredients will offer amazing health benefits to the body. First secret: dental pain. Clove oil is perhaps best known as a remedy for toothache and dental pain. In one older study of 73 adults, for instance, researchers found that clove-based gel was comparable to benzocaine, a local anesthetic, in its ability to ease pain resulting from injections in the mouth. Add 3 to 5 drops of clove oil to 1 teaspoon of an edible neutral carrier oil like olive oil. Dab a cotton ball into the diluted oil and apply it to the affected gums, not the tooth. Second, contain important nutrients. Cloves contain fiber, vitamins, and minerals, so using whole or ground cloves to add flavor to your food can provide some important nutrients. 1 teaspoon, 2 grams, of ground cloves contains calories, 6, carbs, 1 gram, fiber, 1 gram, manganese, 55% of the daily value, DV, vitamin K, 2% of the DV. Manganese is an essential mineral for maintaining brain function and building strong bones. Extra virgin olive oil is also fairly nutritious. Apart from its beneficial fatty acids, it contains modest amounts of vitamins E and K, but olive oil is also loaded with powerful antioxidants. These antioxidants are biologically active and may reduce your risk of chronic diseases. They also fight inflammation and help protect your blood cholesterol from oxidation, 2 benefits that may lower your risk of heart disease. Third, cancer. Cancer is one of the most common causes of death in the world. People in Mediterranean countries have a lower risk of some cancers, and many researchers believe that olive oil may be the reason. While some laboratory studies have looked at the effect of cloves on cancer cells, this research was not done in humans and is not solid evidence of cloves' role in treating or preventing cancer. Clove extract inhibits tumor growth and promotes cell cycle arrest and apoptosis. One review on eugenol suggests that it may be an effective cancer therapy alone or combined with chemotherapy, and the antioxidants in olive oil can reduce oxidative damage due to free radicals, which is believed to be a leading driver of cancer. Fourth, can kill bacteria. Cloves have been shown to have antimicrobial properties, meaning they can help stop the growth of microorganisms like bacteria. Olive oil contains many nutrients that can inhibit or kill harmful bacteria. One of these is Helicobacter pylori, a bacterium that lives in your stomach and can cause stomach ulcers and stomach cancer. What's more, the antibacterial properties of cloves could even. One test tube study showed that clove essential oil killed 3 common types of bacteria, including E. coli, which is a strain of bacteria that can cause food poisoning. What's more, the antibacterial properties of cloves could even help promote oral health. Fifth, blood sugar effects. Some preliminary evidence suggests that eugenol, a compound found in cloves, may have a lowering effect on blood sugar levels. Studies also have shown that using olive oil in your diet can help manage blood sugar levels and even reduce the risk of developing diabetes because of its rich in monounsaturated fats. These healthy fats can help your body better process the sugars in your food, making it easier for your body to use them for energy. Sixth, may promote bone health. Low bone mass is a condition that affects an estimated 43 million older adults in the United States alone. It can lead to the development of osteoporosis, which may increase the risk of breaks and fractures. Some of the compounds in cloves have been shown to help preserve bone mass in animal studies. Higher consumption of extra virgin olive oil is associated with a lower risk of osteoporosis-related fractures in middle-aged and elderly. Lab and animal studies show that extra virgin olive oil can combat the inflammation and oxidative stress that contribute to osteoporosis. 7th, may improve liver health. Studies show that the beneficial compounds in cloves could help promote liver health. The compound eugenol may be especially beneficial for the liver. One animal study fed rats with fatty liver disease mixtures containing either clove oil or eugenol. Both mixtures improved liver function, reduced inflammation, and decreased oxidative stress. Olive oil may also help reduce liver enzymes and liver fat that contribute to disease. Mainly, olives are rich in vitamin E and antioxidants, two things your liver loves. Olive oil is very healthy for your liver. 8th, heart health. Cloves are full of antioxidants, including eugenol. Antioxidants help your body fight free radicals, which damage your cells. By removing free radicals from your system, the antioxidants found in cloves can help lower your risk of developing heart disease. Heart disease is the most common cause of death in the world. Observational studies conducted a few decades ago showed that heart disease is less common in Mediterranean countries. This led to extensive research on the Mediterranean diet, which has now been shown to significantly reduce heart disease risk. Extra virgin olive oil is one of the key ingredients in this diet. Heart disease in several ways.